Number 8. For a science lab, Serenity measured the mass of the different beans. So we have the mung, which was 1 and 7/100ths. Pinto, 1 gram. Fava, 9/10 grams. And the red, 1 and 1/10 grams. Use the types of beans to complete the sentence. The order of the beans from least mass to greatest mass is, so we're going to be putting the correct beans in order. So at this time, what I'd like you to do is make a place value chart with me. So I see that we have all of these beans listed. So I'm going to make me a place value chart right here. And since I have 4 beans, I'm going to make 4 lines. I'm going to go ahead and record my decimal right here so that my decimals are nice and lined up. And I'm just going to bring them over. So we have the mung, which was 1.07. Pinto was 1 whole. Fava was 9/10. And the red bean, 1.1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in so that we have an equal playing ground, so that all of the numbers are equal in the digits that are being represented. So in order, they want us to order these from the least to the greatest. So when I come over here and I'm looking for the smallest bean, I want to think about starting at the front and moving my way back. So the smallest bean would be this one. So this is going to be the fava. So it's listed here. So I'm going to write that in the spot. Okay. Now that I've done that one, I'm going to actually cross that off. It's done. So we're looking for the next smallest one. And so I'm going to go over here and start with 1. So they all have a 1 in the ones place. I'm going to move to the tenths place. So we have a 0, a 0, and a 1. Well, definitely this is probably going to be my largest one. I'm going to keep moving, and 7/100ths is more than 0/100ths. So we're going to go ahead and put the pinto next. So this is going to be number 2. So pinto is going to be number 2. Okay. And the next one would be the, looks like the mung. So this would be number 3 because the 7 is bigger than the 0. And then finally, the last one would be the red bean. The red bean is going to be our largest bean. Okay? Because the 1 is larger than any of the digits that we see. All right, make sure you have this filled out correctly, and I'll see you back for number 9.